These are the elevators at the USF Marshall Student Center in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go 4. I don't think 4 works. We're gonna go to 3. Ameritech elevator. When I hit 1, the down lanterns, they light up immediately. Here's your cab view. There's 4 elevators in this building. Here's your inspection certificate. We're gonna ride the other one. Shut on me. We're gonna go up to this one. You can get the 4 on. Interesting. Button went out. We're at 4. We're gonna go back down. Also, actually in school you can see a little bit, just a tiny bit of the shaft, not very much. Anyway, here's your cab view. Here's your inspection certificate. So those were the first 2 elevators. Elevator number 3 is pretty much identical, except it's just a single elevator. And it's within this new student and family engagement section of the Marshall Student Center. Here's a view of the atrium. The service elevator is basically the same. We're not gonna ride it, but I am gonna show you what it looks like. That'll be it.